Hello everyone, good morning. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, in our last classes we have learned the tables. Yes, you all have learned the tables from 2 to 10. Yes, very good. My dear students, in today's class we will do a new topic, that is place and face value. We will learn about the place and face values of numbers. Okay, so let's bring out your notebooks first and write the date and the day on your notebooks. So what is the date today? Today is 22/4/2021. 22/4/2021 and the day is Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. Done? So now we will start the today's topic, that is place value and face value. Place value and face value. Face value. फेस वैल्यू कभी भी डिजिट की प्लेस के साथ चेंज नहीं होती. इट विल नेवर बी चेंज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव 2 to 4. द नंबर 2 to 4 वी हैव, इट इज 3 digit नंबर. सो ones, tens and 100. Always we have 3 places for a 3 digit number, ones, tens and 100. Here is a face value chart. So the first place is ones, second is tens, and then hundreds. We have 3 places, ones, tens and 100. We have numbers. What are the numbers we have? 2, 2 and 4. 2, 2, 4. So now 4 is ones, 2 tens and 2 hundreds. So the face value of the digits will be same. It will never be changed. It will be same. Face value of 4 ones is 4, 2 tens is 2 and 2 hundreds is 2. It is same, simple. Now we will look after place value. Place value. Again we have a chart of place value here. This is the chart of place value. So again we will write ones, tens and hundreds. So first of all we will write the numbers here. We have number 4, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 is ones, 4 for tens and 3 for hundreds. Here we will write the place value of digits. The place value of digit we will decide up to places of the digit like 100, tens and ones. So 5 is ones. 5 ones means 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 ones. 4 tens. 4 क्या है? Tens. तो 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 3 is 100. 3 hundreds. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Now look the place value of the digits. When the 5 is ones, so the value of 5 is 5. And 4 is tens, so value of 4 is 40. And 3 is hundreds, so the place value of 3 is 300. You all understand this? Here I have one more example. 4, 3, 2. So here now we will write 4, 3, 2, 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 ones. 3 numbers है, वैल्यू प्लेस वैल्यू उनकी क्या है, वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स. दीज आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ डिजिट्स, वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स. हमने प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी है, सो वी विल मल्टी. Here we will find out the place value of the digit. कैसे निकालना है हमने प्लेस वैल्यू? 2 ones means 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. The place value of 2 is 2. 2 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 2. 3 क्या है? tens. 3 is tens, तो 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So 3 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 30, because this is on the tens place. 3 tens, so this is 30. 4 hundreds means 4 is below the h, so this is 4 hundreds means 4 into 100 is equal to 400. If any digit is placed under the O means ones, then it will be same. If it is placed for tens, then here will be 1 0 with it. Okay, अगर ये tens के प्लेस पे है तो इसके साथ 1 0 आ जाएगी, बिकॉज 10 में 1 0 है एंड 100 में 2 0 होती है, तो उस डिजिट के साथ 2 0 आ जाएंगी जो 100 के नीचे है, जो h के नीचे है. ओके, you all knows about the place and face values now. Now we will do the sums with place and face values. One more example we have in the book also. Here number 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. Now we have to write the place and face value again of this sum. 4 place value of 4 is 4 ones. And the face value of 4 is 4. Understand? Again, for 3 we will find out the place value and face value. Place value of 3 is 3 tens. Yes? This is on ones place and this is for tens. Place value of 3 is 3 10 or 30. And face value of 3 is always same like 3. Now my dear students, I hope you all knows about the face and place value of the digits. Yes, understand? Bye bye. We will meet in next video again.